Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate UGG showdown. Doing the UGG Tazzlita versus the Classic Ultra Mini platform. Both are super popular, and I was wanting to see which one is right for you. Let's find out. I have both of them because I really like both styles for different reasons, and I'll explain why in this video. I like them for whichever reasoning. I'll tell you which ones I use for which occasions, and we'll go from there. This is the UGG Tazzlita. As you can see, there's a sheepskin lining here. This boot is all about comfort and convenience. It features that signature softness, which I didn't discover until 2 years ago, along with the cozy sheepskin lining that keeps your feet warm all day, and believe me, they are warm. Its minimalist slip-on design helps make it an easy choice for casual and everyday wear. I really like these just for casual walk. I like these for a casual walk around the store, the UGG Tazzlitas, because you just walk around, it's like you're wearing really stylish, comfy slippers. And I really like them just for chilling as well around the house a lot. I really enjoy them for just going out in general in these is so comfy because they do have a platform here at the bottom, and also they have the sheepskin obviously in here. This is a boot that will last you a long time, same with the other one of course, but if you want a slipper that is maximum comfort, definitely go with these. They are so cute. They look so awesome with just really cute outfits. I'll show some pictures up here, kind of how I style them, either from me or other Pinterest ideas. I really like these. They are comfortable to the max. I've been wearing them a lot more this year than my mini platforms. However, I do still like to wear the mini platforms, but for a different reason, and I'll explain that right now. Now let's talk about the Classic Ultra Mini platform. This is one of those shoes, if you want to add a little bit of height, they do have a much bigger platform than the Tazzlitas do, and they give me much more of a height boost. These can be styled in so many different ways as well. The platform sole also not only gives you style, but again, it's fully comfortable and it has that classic UGG cushioning. It's a nice twist on a classic design, whereas the Tazzlita is a little bit more of a different design that some people may or may not like. These were so popular, I think, last year and the year before. These are definitely a shoe that you can dress up though as well because they are more simple. They don't look as slippery. They still do, but they look more like boots that you would just walk around in. I like wearing these if I go to a big city, I want to like travel around and it's like a colder city, like fall time, and I want to look sleek at the same time. These are such a good option for that. And these are more so, I would recommend these more if you are somebody who goes out and travels or walks a lot, because I think these just are more universal. Especially if you're like a working person who has to travel a lot or walk a lot, whatever the case may be. I think these would be better for you, but we'll do a bit of a comparison for both and see which ones would be a good option. I like having both options because I am somebody who has periods of time where I stay home or just stay in town. But I also have those periods of time where I do travel more to other places. Not necessarily like internationally or anything, but like going out shopping more, going to the mall with family or whatever it is. Nicer occasions where I can wear the UGG platform versus when I'm just chilling and I wear the Tazzlita. But anyways, we will get into the comparison now between the two. So what's the difference? The Tazzlita is a more relaxed and laid-back style. It's perfect for lounging or running errands too. On the other hand, the Ultra Mini platform is a stylish upgrade with a modern look that works for those trendy, I want to look put together but still be comfy type of vibes. In terms of comfort, both boots give you that signature lining and cushioning, the sheepskin lining and cushioning, that you are purchasing for the amount of money that you're buying it for quality, right? And I'm hoping each of these will last me at least 5 years or more. But the Ultra Mini platform's added height might give you a bit more style versatility to dress up more so than the Tazzlita, where it's a more casual style. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to what vibe you're going for. If you love casual and cozy, I would go for the Tazzlita. That's why I love it. But if you want like chic, elevated look, you can dress up or dress down. that's still comfy and also adds a bit of height, definitely go with the Ultra Mini platform. These are both great options. I love both of these shoes so much, both of these boots so much. But let me know which one you would choose if you had to choose between the two. I would say, honestly, I'd have to go with the Classic Mini platforms on this one because they're a classic style. However, there's a nice twist that also gives me that little height boost, and they're still so comfy. It'll leave me there. I've just been loving the Tazzlitas because it's winter time right now here in Canada. It's been nice just putting them on, just having that cute, cozy moment to chill. Thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Don't forget to give this a like and comment below, and subscribe if you like my face, and for more reviews, more self-help content, just more content. I'm excited to continue making these videos for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.